What's up guys, this is Jomar and welcome to Tutorial by Jomar. What's up guys, and kung first time mong manood ng video ko, don't forget to hit like and subscribe ka na rin sa channel na ito at i-click mo na rin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga next videos ko. This video is the part 1 of our series about solving integers na kung saan I will teach you how to add and solve integers. Ang pag-solve ng integers is one of the core fundamentals ng mathematics. So, kung gusto nyo makapasa sa exam nyo, make sure na mag-gets nyo ang lesson na to. So, let's start sa basic concept of integers. So, what we have here is a number line na kung saan yung mga right side ng number line are positive numbers and those naman na nasa left side ay mga negative numbers. So, para mag-gets nyo, mag-cite muna tayo ng example. Say for example, imagine niyo na yung point 0 ay yung bahay nyo. Yung point 0 yung bahay nyo. Tapos, nasa right side ng bahay nyo, yung school nyo. Yung school nyo. Tapos, nasa left side naman ng bahay nyo, yung bahay ng girlfriend or ng boyfriend mo. So, from point 0 or mula sa bahay nyo, naglakad ka ng 3 kilometers papunta sa bahay ng girlfriend or ng boyfriend mo. So, we have 1, 2, and 3. Nandito ka na. Sabay kayong papasok. Then, mula sa bahay nila, naglakad kayo ng 5 kilometers papunta sa school nyo. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ang school nyo ay nasa number. Lahat ng nasa right side or yung mga moving forward are positive numbers. And yung mga nasa left side naman, tsaka yung mga going backwards are considered negative numbers. So, we have negative 3 nga. Kanina, naglakad siya ng negative or naglakad siya ng 3 kilometers papalayo mula sa kanyang bahay. So, we have negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, naglakad sila forward papunta sa school nila ng 5 kilometers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it means na yung school nila ay nasa kilometer 2 or nasa point 2. So, we have negative 3 plus positive 5. Diba parang ang hirap ang isolve? So, ang gagawin natin, uunahin mo natin yung 5 bago yung negative. So, we have 5 minus 3. We have 2. So, 2 siya. Tapos, ito rin 2. So, we have the same answer. So, we have the right answer. Say, for example, naglakad ka ng 3 kilometers papunta sa school nyo. So, from point 0 or mula sa bahay nyo, we have 1, 2, 3. Dito ka na sa point 3. Ito yung school nyo. Mate mo ay nagkayang pumunta sa bahay nila kasi gagawa kayo ng project. Yung bahay nila is 6 kilometers mula sa school nyo. So, naglakad kayo ng 6 kilometers pa uwi. Or, naglakad kayo ng 6 kilometers papunta sa bahay nila. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito tayo ngayon sa point negative 3. So, it means kapag inad natin yung negative 6 sa positive 3, ang magiging answer daw natin is negative 3. So, tama ba yun? So, malalaman natin mamaya sa lesson natin. So, start na tayo ng lesson natin. Ihang muna natin tong equation na to. Check natin kung tama ba yung answer natin na negative 3. Okay, let's proceed muna sa addition ng same signs. Ang first rule natin, ang gagawin natin, i-add natin yung absolute value nila. So, ano ba yung absolute value? Yung absolute value is yung value ng number regardless na kung ano yung sign niya. Say for example, ito positive, ito naman is positive. I-disregard natin yung sign nila. So, ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung absolute value. We have 6 plus 3. So, ilagay na natin 9. Tapos, i-copy lang natin yung sign nila. Since ang sign nila is positive, 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 answer natin is positive 9. Positive 9. Let's have another example. Ang rule number 1 is add the absolute value. Absolute value is 6 plus 3. We have 9. And then, i-copy natin yung sign nila, which is negative. Negative 6, negative 3. We have negative 9. Hopefully, nagets nyo itong part na to. Ang rule number 1 natin ay i-add lang natin yung absolute value nila. And then, i-copy natin yung sign nila. Next, let's proceed sa pag-add naman kapag yung sign ay magkaiba. Say for example, we have 6 plus negative 3. So, ang rule natin dyan, ang gagawin naman natin, kapag magkaiba yung sign, i-subtract naman natin yung absolute value nila. Okay, we have 6 minus 3, we have 3. Tapos, ang rule number 2 is kakopy natin yung sign ng larger number nila. Since 6 is bigger than 3, we will adopt the sign of 6. We have positive. So, positive 6 plus negative 6 plus negative 3, the answer is positive 3. Let's have another example. We have negative 6 plus 3. Ang rule number 1 natin is isusubtract natin yung absolute value. We have 6 minus 3 is 3. Tapos, i-adapt natin or i-copy natin yung sign ng larger number, which is negative 6. So, we have negative sign. The answer would be negative 3. So, balikan natin yung kanina, no? Yung kaninang sabi dun sa slide natin na negative 6 nga, tapos positive 3. Answer natin is negative 3. So, it means na yung counting principle kanina na ginawa natin sa number line ay tama. Kasi nga, sabi sa rules na isusubtract ang absolute value and then kakopy yung sign ng larger number. So, what we have here is negative 3. Same true kanina na negative 3 din yung sagot. In order for you to gain more knowledge, let's have a short quiz. Number 1, we have 8 plus 7. Number 2, we have negative 21 plus 12. Number 3, we have negative 45 plus negative 15. Number 4, we have 19. Number 5, we have negative 24 plus 17 plus negative 2. So, okay, let's solve it. We have number 1, 8 plus 7. So, basic lang siya since same sign lang din naman. Ang gagawin natin is i-add lang natin sila. We have 8 plus 7. The answer is 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1. We have 15. Next, we have negative 21 plus 12. Since magkaiba yung sign nila, ang gagawin natin is i-subtract muna natin sila. 21 minus 12. Answer is 9. Tapos kukunin natin yung sign ng larger number, which is 21. We have negative 9. Let's proceed sa number 3. We have negative 45 plus negative 15. Since same sign lang din naman sila, kukunin natin yung sign nila. Ang sign nila is negative. Tapos, i-add lang natin sila. We have 45 plus 15. We have 45 plus 5 is 50 plus 10, 60. So, ang answer natin is negative 60. Again, pag same sign, i-add natin yung absolute value nila and then i-copy natin yung sign nila. Next, number 4, we have 3 plus negative 10 plus 19. Ang gawin natin dito is, pagsamahin muna natin yung mga same sign. We have 3, 19 plus 3 is 22. Since nakuha natin 22, i-add na natin yung negative 10. Since magkaiba yung sign nila, i-subtract natin yung absolute value. We have 22 minus 10 is 12. And then, kukunin natin yung sign ng larger number which is positive. So, answer natin is positive. Lastly, we have negative 24 plus 17 plus negative 2. Ang gagawin natin is, pagsamahin muna natin yung mga same sign. We have negative 24, negative 24, and negative 2. Ang gagawin natin is, i-add natin yung absolute value nila which is 24 plus 2, we have 26. Tapos, ang sign nila is negative, kaya negative 26. Tapos, i-add na natin yung 17. Ang gagawin natin is i-minus natin. We have 26 minus 17, we have 9. Kukunin natin yung sign ng larger number which is negative. So, answer natin is negative 9. That's it for now and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel at i-click na rin ang bell button para update kayo sa mga next videos ko. Comment nyo na rin ang mga topics at lesson na gusto ko pang i-discuss. Thank you, God bless, and hopefully makapasa kayo sa exam. Bye for now and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!